zap into the future where electrons dance and tech throws a party. So today we have a party, and the party is to make a simple website using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, we will use the lowest version, that is 3.5. At least that one everybody can access, and it's free. You can just log in and start using it. So we can use it to generate code for the website, and it's very easy. You tell it what to do, then it will generate. So we will ask ChatGPT to generate us a simple code with the tabs and the CSS, and should be within the HTML. So it should be within the HTML body. So as you can see, it's generating the codes. So guys, you can use this ChatGPT to generate codes in your every stage you are in creating a website. If you want to do this, you must have a Visual Studio, and you must have signed in ChatGPT at least 3.5. Then with that, you can joke around and you can play around with the AI and make website easily. So if you go to our Visual Studio, you can see we can't do much with it because we have not created any folder where our files will be stored. So first you create a folder, a new folder on the desktop where you can easily access or anywhere or under documents. So it depends with you where you will access it easily. Then create and save with the name you will remember. In this case, we have named it Chatweb. Yeah. So after that, you go back to your Visual Studio, then go to open file, open folder, then come to your desktop and click on the folder you have saved. So here we should create index.html, then click OK. It will bring us the code lines. So if you go back to our ChatGPT, you can see it's almost done generating the codes. I think, guys, my internet is bad. So yeah, it's done. You can know whether it's done by looking at the closing brackets. It should start with the opening brackets body, then close with the brackets body. Okay. Okay. Then you can copy the codes. There's a button there for copy code. If you click that to copy the codes, then you go back to the VS Code. Then from with that, you can copy it, you can paste it in that window. You can see the way it's looking very nice. It's how it should be. Then you save the file. If you save the file, it will be easy for you to open it in a browser. Right click the index.html and I go to open info in your default browser. We'll open the website in your default browser. For me now, it's a Chrome browser. you can see how it looks. It's basically the web page initials, like the simple initials. So you can see we have three tabs where to place your content. So it's the basic one, and you can see we have done it within some, not even a minute, within seconds, and we have done that. So ChatGPT make it easier to write codes and it's question relating to the codes for you to understand it better. So within that period of time, we have made a simple website, and with these codes, you can edit anything to suit your preference on how you want your website to look like. And, you can do with it pretty like anything. You can change it to make it the way you want.